Welcome to week 3 of IS112 Computer Networks. This week we're going to do a wireless Wireshark demo. This presentation will look at how Wireshark's protocol analyzer can be used to detect network problems. The objectives are basics on Wireshark. We're going to look at different things with filters. We're going to look at how to test DNS using Wireshark. And we're going to do some troubleshooting, one with unused printer ports and a printer driver server using Wireshark. Let's begin. Basics on Wireshark. Wireshark is a protocol analyzer that can capture the packets that are flying around on the network in order to identify network performance issues. I will be going over an example of an old antivirus server, Panda, that is bad. Setting up a capture filter, there is a difference between a capture filter and a display filter. Begin to capture packets, go to capture and then options to configure what you will be capturing. You may need to change your capture interface. Okay, so in this case we're choosing if you look at this one here, choosing a network card for this device, this computer. Select a capture filter. Additional capture filters can be found at wiki.wireshark.org. Now you will select an output file will be used later for a display filter. So you're going to capture all this data and that's going to go to an output file. You can adjust the output if you want to see it, and also what info gets outputted. You can also select whether or not you want the sniffing to stop automatically after a certain amount of time. So if you wanted to just set it up, let it run and walk away. Click on Start. You will see what packets are being captured in real time. To sort the packets in a way that you can understand what you're receiving, so you're going to use sort. So you basically run a session to capture a lot of packets. This results in a lot of information. You want to figure out what PCs you want to filter by and type in the IP address. Click Apply and it will filter the IPs. You can also do this real time or after you stop Wireshark. In the example here, the exact code is illustrated down here. IP source is the IP source address. IP DST is the IP destination. This symbol is equal to, and this one is not equal to. But looking at what we have here, the IP source has to equal 10.151.0.1, and the IP destination has to equal 10.151.0.1. Change below filters the IP address if you want to find the source of one IP address. In this case 10.151.25.71. To test on a local PC to see if it's using the correct DNS server, you can click on Start, Run, get to the command prompt, type ping space www.google.com. Don't press enter. Click on the show capture options. Start up the Wireshark capturing. Now switch over to your command prompt and press enter on the ping command. What you will see is it'll ping it. Oops. What you'll see is it'll ping it, sending commands out to say, is there such an address? And it'll come back with a reply. This will be, while it's doing this, it'll be capturing it in Wireshark. Now switch over to Wireshark and stop the running live capture. Sort by protocol. Scroll until you see DNS in the protocol section and look for www.google.com. Once you find www.google.com, you can see what the destination is. In this case, DC3. And you see that right here. And it came, and what computer it came from, IS123 E04. And that is how you find out what DNS server is being hit by your PC. Here's another thing you can do at Wireshark. There's an awful lot of things you can do, but this is unused printer ports on a print driver server using Wireshark. Okay, to troubleshoot unused printer ports from a printer driver server using Wireshark. Please note that SASD-PDHS had a lot of old ports that are not being used. They were causing unnecessary network broadcasts. Run Wireshark to uncover the broadcast. In this example, I ran Wireshark from my PC, IS123 E02. Then sort by source IP. Okay, now you know all the port broadcasts with an IP address of 10.151.25 are from SASD-PDHS server are no longer used. RDP to the SASD-PDHS server. Go to the control panel printers. Now go to a printer, select properties, remove all the 10.151.25 ports. Once you're done, you should only have 10.154 printers for the HSV LAN 100. We have now finished a demo of Wireshark. Always remember that if you have any type of network problems, running analysis of your network and Wireshark is a good thing to do. You have now completed the week 3 presentation on the Wireshark demo. Always try to apply what you have learned this week outside of your classroom.